Alright, check it out, man. It's been a minute since I've done an actual unboxing video, right? I've just been doing a bunch of tutorials for y'all, trying to get y'all, trying to put some more tutorials out there for y'all. But I've got a couple packages in. Let me show y'all. I actually have like 2 more boxes at the shop that I needed to bring home, but I forgot. But check it out. I got this package right here. I got this one right here. And then I got another box right here. So in this video, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. We're not really gonna be unboxing everything inside of the package. I'm just gonna show y'all what came in the package so y'all know what to look forward to and what I will be dropping in the next couple days or so. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So like I said, we're going to be doing a couple unboxings. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe one time for the one time. Comment down below. Let me know that you are new to the channel. And if you ain't sure if you want to subscribe to this channel, if you like anything barber related, unboxing, tutorials, tips, vlogs, things like that, make sure to subscribe, man, because I'll be dropping content like that all the time. But like I said, we got this package here. It literally says 4 hair products. Don't know what that is. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what came in this package right here. So we got some Moroccan gloss oil. It just says 4 Hair LLC. That's all it says, 4 Hair LLC. Don't really know who sent this to me, but it just says Moroccan argan oil nourishes and softens, enhances natural shine, helps reduce frizz. Helps reduce frizz, not fridge. It reduces the frizz. And that's the name of the brand, 4 Hair. Don't know who sent this to me, but if y'all send it to me, let me know down in the comments. So we got that. Let me go ahead and put this to the side. And then I did semi-open this package. It's not really all the way open, but this is from Suprint. So we're going to get out what's in this package. And I'm just going to show y'all what it is real quick. Like I said, this ain't going to be a super long unboxing video. I'm not going to unbox every single item and show y'all everything that's in there. I'm just going to show y'all the items real quick, right? So we got, it's called a Suprint Vinyl Dual Coil Vector Motor Clipper. The Vinyl Dual Coil Vector Motor Hair Clipper and Trimmer Combo. So it says it's the hair trimmer, clipper, and trimmer. It's the dual coil clipper and trimmer combo. Let's go ahead and open this real quick so we can see how this thing looks. Let's get this thing out of here. So yeah, it's two products in here, man. So like I said, it's the clipper and the trimmer. If it's dual coil, it's gonna be pretty powerful. I think, I'm gonna be honest, man, I think dual coil just means vector motor. Because I know Babyliss came out with a dual coil and it just seems like it's a vector motor clipper. But here is the Suprint vinyl, the trimmer. It looks nice, you know what I'm saying? It's a little different. Okay, we have a little LED screen, shows how much power we got on here. As y'all can hear the clipper, that does sound like a vector motor clipper. You can see the motor in the middle. There is the blade for the trimmer. Let's go ahead and get the clipper out of here real quick. And then we do got another box from them. It says Suprint Fangs on it, so I'm gonna open that. I'm sure that's another clipper and trimmer combo as well. Shout out to Suprint, man. Here is the clipper, the vinyl clipper. And I'll make sure to have the link down in the description for these products if y'all wanted to check them out. So same thing with the clipper. As you can see, we can see the motor in the middle. It does got a click lever. The click lever actually feels nice. Nice looking blade on there. Got an LED screen. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but it does have an LED screen and it shows how much power. So that is the clipper. That is, here, let me pull out the trimmer one more time. The vinyl clipper and trimmer from Suprint. Your boy will be doing a video on these, an actual review on them. So y'all make sure to like the video, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if that's the next video you want to see. But let's put that to the side. And then we're going to open up the Suprint Fangs. Check it out. So this is also a vector motor, auto intelligent detector, patented predator inspired I can't even read some of these words, man. But yeah, man, it comes with a charging dock, some oil, a brush, USB-C cable, a necklace, and a guard. What says guards? So let's see what all comes in the Suprint fangs box. I've had a Suprint fang before. I think it was the green ones, and I actually still use them. I got them in my travel case, so when I travel, those are the ones I actually use to cut hair sometimes. I got other clippers in there too, but I know I got those in there as well. All right, so check it out. Here is the fangs, the box. So we open it like that, and as you can see, we have the clipper and trimmer and we also got a necklace. I ain't gonna rock it, but we do got, check this out, a Suprint necklace. Shout out to Suprint once again if y'all want to check them out. I think their website is suprintus.com. Not 100% sure, but once again, I will put it down in the description for y'all so y'all can check them out. So here is the fang trimmer, and it's dead. It might just be dead, but that is the trimmer, and here is the clipper. Oh no, I lied. They're not dead. So what you gotta do is they have this this special, I don't know what it's called, but they won't turn on unless you hold them for a little bit. So here's the trimmer once again. I done held it, and as you see it turned on. But this is the Suprint fang trimmer. I like the way the paint on there looks, like the little splash paint on there. But that is the trimmer. Check out the blade on there. The fang trimmer, and then we got the fang clipper. The clicks feel better on the vinyl, I'm gonna be honest with you, than on this clipper. But I like the looks of this clipper better. But that is the Suprint fangs. Once again, shout out to Suprint for these tools. And I will be doing a video on these Suprint fangs as well. So y'all make sure to subscribe one time for the one time. Check it out. This is the box. Nice looking box. But let's move that over to the side. Throw this trash away. And then I got another box down here, and this is from Royal Clips. Shout out to Royal Clips one time for the one time. And like I said, I also have the Babyliss dual coils at the barbershop that they sent me. And then I also have the TPOB Go trimmer. I will be doing a video on those as well. I just forgot those at the barbershop. But if y'all want to see those videos, let me know down in the comments. All right. So as y'all can see, we do have the clipper, the Hyper Fade hair clipper. Check that out right there. It's called the Hyper Fade. And then what else did they send your boy? Oh, they sent me another. It might, I don't know what's in here. But let's open this. Throw that to the side. It might just be like a carrying case, like a travel case type deal. But let's go ahead and open this up. I like this packaging though, man. Shout out to Royal Clips one time for the one time. Okay, so I got, yeah, it's a little carrying case. Check it out, it says Royal Clips on there. And it's like a backpack type deal. Yeah, so you can open it up. And it comes with, well, you can't really see in there, but it comes with like slots to put your clippers in. So that's pretty dope. But yeah, we got this carrying pouch as well. Once again, shout out to Royal Clips. I'm gonna put that on that side. And let me go ahead and get this opened up so we can see what's on the inside of this, see how the clipper looks, hear how it sounds and everything. So we got the plastic off there. Now we can actually see the box a little better. Check it out. The Hyper Fade hair clipper, DLC blade, 10,000 RPM. It's a magnetic motor, and it has an adjustable click lever. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I know a lot of people don't rock with magnetic motors, but I think the magnetic motors do good, bro. Honestly, like the only thing they don't really do good is cut through wet hair. But who really cuts through wet hair? You want to blow dry the hair first anyways, right? But I'm just saying, so we open the box. It comes like that. We're just going to take this clipper out of here real quick. I'm trying not to make a mess, man. I'm trying not to make a mess. But let's, okay. But check it out. Here is the what is it called? The Hyper Fade. Yeah, the Hyper Fade hair clipper from Royal Clips. Got a click lever on there. The clicks feel okay. They don't feel bad, but they don't feel great. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. They don't feel great, but I do like click levers, so I'm sure it's just something that I can get adjusted to fairly easily, right? So we got that. And that's how it sounds on. It actually sounds almost just like a vector motor, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If they the same thing, y'all let me know down in the comments. Because sometimes I be talking and I know how these things like work, like as far as like how they cut hair. But when it comes to motors, like people talking about brushless motors, dual coil, man, I just want to know how this thing cuts through hair. You know what I'm saying? But magnetic motor clipper, I do know that some clipper motors cut differently, but we're gonna give this one a shot as well. So I got like 4 different clippers that I gotta do videos for. So y'all know we're gonna keep doing that, man. So once again, if y'all new to the channel, like this video, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you're new, but we got a couple videos that we're gonna be putting out here shortly. Once again, here is the Hyper Fade from Royal Clips click lever. As you can see, they have the Royal Clips logo right there. All matte black clipper. We have some rubber, you know, the rubber gripping in the front, little thumb groove. We got grooves in the back. Not all in all, seems pretty good. Feels pretty good. USB-C charging, you can't beat that. I love when clippers come with USB-C charging. But that's that, man. But like I said, this video wasn't going to be too long. I just wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that I got in the past like 2-3 weeks. Like I said, I know I haven't done an unboxing and a review in a while. But they coming. They coming. Give me a couple days, maybe by the end of the week, I'll have some of these videos up for y'all. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.